Welcome to the Brahmastra fan event! Thank you, Dolly. Thank you, Mantra. Hi, guys. How are you? How are you? How are you? Acha, thanks very much. I thought you all only came to see Ranveer and Alia. I thought I'll quickly come and leave. Huh? How are you? Thank you all for coming. अभी तक फिल्म देखी नहीं है आपने? कुछ भी नहीं देखा है?
पावर बैंक नहीं है मेरे पास.
अच्छा, okay. So let's start. First, I want to say thank you very much for coming today. But we still have COVID in the world, because of which we've had to restrict people coming. Should we space out a little bit? It's fine. You're here only. We have so much space. Huh? Because of COVID protocols, thank you very much. I knew you all had to bring in some RT-PCR tests, double vaccination certificate. Thank you. We appreciate it. We've had to keep. Okay, let me start. For everyone watching this anywhere and all of you, today is a very important day for us. It's just too important. Okay, because today is the day that we finally open the doors to the world of Brahmastra to all of you. Okay, and to people everywhere. So it's a very, very important day for me. I was 29 when we made Ye Jawani Hai Diyani. I am going to be 39 when Brahmastra releases. You know, so इस time में, you know, my other film directors have made 2-3 films. मेरे दोस्तों की शादी हो गई है, उनके बच्चे हो गए, 2 बच्चे भी हो गए क्या? हाँ, okay. We'll come to that later tonight. We'll come to that. But what I want to say is कि पिछले 10 साल से but nothing that we launch on Brahmastra, we actually invite the audience and do it with them. Okay? And you know, we're going to launch this motion poster unit today. I really, really want you guys to feel a part of it. Launch it with me, because really it's very important to me. When you discover more about Brahmastra, you will learn that Brahmastra is a movie about energies. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है हमारी country में especially, in some way everybody understands this concept of energy, especially in our country. So I feel that the energy of everyone here, like good vibrations, is very important for the film, for this launch. So please give us like these good vibrations that we can launch this unit with. Let's launch it, the unit. Please see it. It's the first thing we're going to do on Brahmastra. Okay. So enjoy the unit, then we'll have some more fun. But let's have some fun while we launch it. Okay? So let's do this. 9 is a very important number for Brahmastra. You will discover why in a moment. Achha? So, how about we count down from 9 to 1, and then we'll say play. And we'll play the unit. But let's do one more thing. Somebody from my team is in the control box. Kavir, why don't one of you go and press play on the motion poster? Who wants to go? Huh? I don't know how to pick like this. I can't pick like this. This has become very difficult. This has become too difficult now.
बलम पिचकार
जो तूने मुझे मारी कि सीधी सादी जो शराबी हो गई कि जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ढूंढा लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी. I can't believe I know this step. I wasn't even in the film. I still know the step exactly.
मेरा काम ये थोड़ी है. Behind the scenes काम है मेरा. Exactly, right?
तो यार अभी क्या करना है ना? We are here. This moment your poster has released.
Big hug, guys, first.
Let's have
Acha, first, can I ask you guys one question? How did you like the motion poster, honestly? How is it? It looked like a magnum opus to you. Let me take some reactions. Now, I really want to know what you felt. It's good. Slowly, slowly.
भाई तू जिस तरह के क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा मैं तेरे को टक्कर देने वाला हूँ नहीं बोल यार
Acha, ठीक है. What I think we should do is, we have some questions, I believe, which we've collected over time. आप लोग ने भी कुछ questions drop किए थे. Let's take some questions. Some questions people had sent us. So we should do it, but I have no idea how to do it. Somebody has to. Mantra, Dolly, आप लोग you're actually.
Big hand for Mantra and Dolly. Thank you so much, guys. You guys, amazing.
सर हिस्सा बनाया ना केवल यहाँ पे जितने लोग मौजूद हैं बल्कि साथ साथ you ran this entire मतलब सोशल मीडिया पे people were asking you question. There is specifically एक चीज देखी जा रही है यार. You want it to be their film too. It is their film, and that's why उन्होंने कुछ सवाल पूछे हैं जो सोशल मीडिया पे हैं. मैं पहले वो पूछता हूँ फिर इनके भी सवाल आएंगे. First one is for Ayan. I don't know who sent this, but the question is very interesting. Dragon to Brahmastra. Wow.
Y'all knew when it was called Dragon, and so I don't know how it got out. I think maybe I mentioned it once on social media. Actually, Dragon जब फिल्म का टाइटल था तभी उतना सोचा नहीं था उसके बारे में, because Shiva in the film has the power of fire. I wrote the name Dragon on the script, but the film was always rooted and inspired by Indian culture, Indian history. So actually, the minute the time came to really give it a title, Brahmastra was always the right title for the film. But Dragon.
Chinese Kana Khate. Ranveer, my next question is to you. This is also from the fans on the internet. The question is that you've worked with Ayan so many times now. How easy or difficult it is to work with your best friend?
You know, he's a pain in the ass, like beyond a pain in the ass. He's such a hard taskmaster. But I think, you know, when we started out, we both were starting our careers in Wake Up Sid, and I think at that point in life, I really added something in his life, you know, as being part of Wake Up Sid. But I know this for a fact that today he really adds something to my life. And I'm really happy and proud that, you know, I'm working at the movies at the time of both these talents, Ayan and Alia, because I get so much from them. I'm so inspired by them. I love them so much, and I also get the opportunity to work with them.
ये दोस्ती बनी रहे हमेशा. जोरदार तालियां for this जोड़ी guys, for this tikdi actually.
For this tikdi, that's true. Alia, next question to you. I mean, you worked with the boys for the first time. Was it difficult? Did they bully you at all? Because you were joining
अरे
this
इसको कोई
gang.
bully नहीं कर सकता. Impossible. Impossible.
Was she the bully?
No, I'm not a bully, but they didn't bully me.
Okay.
Huh? She's the. No, I'm not the. Yeah, I mean, I would.
Yeah, Alia's the boss.
Also, I think they really like listening to me speak. They enjoy it also because sometimes I say silly things and they, you know, get entertained by it. But there's only one boss on set, and that is Ayan. When Ayan is standing and talking, we like it that way. He is like, he runs the set. He's screaming on the mic, he's jumping on rocks, he's rolling on the floor. He's doing everything. He doesn't sit the whole day. Like Ayan is just running the set, and we like to be there, you know. We like his.
This is only 50% true, let me tell you. Before we came out today, Alia was like, Ranveer will stand there, Ayan will stand here, Dolly Mantra will stand there. So it's a collaboration of bossiness.
Ayan is right.
That's true. Actually, I would
It's
say
a
number 1,
collaboration.
number 2, and number 100.
Oh, number 100.
My little saint. He doesn't say anything.
these are the questions जो हमको we found from the internet, but you guys asked some very interesting ones. और आप लोगों ने शुरुआत में you created that आपने
Can we have
अपने
the question?
ये सवाल डाले थे in the bowl, so let's bring that up. ये आपके सवाल हैं जो आप लोगों ने दिए हैं जो आज यहाँ पर आए हैं.
अपने
All these questions home. Have you all left your numbers and all in this? If you had, we would have sent you all
Why don't you leave your
answers.
This
number?
brief wasn't
On your
given to
phone.
them. ये missed opportunity है.
So who's answering first?
I think
Did you see?
can we start with? You want to start with?
Ladies first, let Alia go again.
Okay, Alia, go for it.
सबसे आगे
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Alia, can you
Anita, Anita.
pick up?
ये भी तो दे कौन सी आगे अगर है तो पीछे भी
Okay, this is not a question but a statement, but I'll still read it because it's sweet. It's from Sia. I love you, Alia. You're the best, prettiest, hottest girl. I love you. Sia,
Sia,
whenever
you
you
know?
मेरा अपना बहुत छोटा
Us.
Sia, thank you so much. No one's ever called me hottest, prettiest, and best in the same sentence. Thank you. Have you ever called me hottest, prettiest, and sweetest in the same sentence? Yeah.
हाँ दे
Okay. Ishita has asked a question.
तूने बोला ना कि तू तो गया होगा
You are more than a star. Movie choices are the best. Can't wait to see Gangu. I love you, Alia. Okay, again, not a question, but love you. Thank you so much. This
अभी
could
सब
go
लोग
on.
एंट्री नंबर वेट करना 7 नंबर
तीन है अभी तो.
तीन दिन रखते हैं.
जरा आज होगा मैं आज
Alia Bhatt, thank you for constantly inspiring me to be confident. You are a beautiful actor and may you always remain the same. From Shirish Shrishti, your note.
Thank
What's
you
your
so
name?
much, love. How sweet. Okay.
Yeah, I'm
I think
taking
you
the
take
question.
over.
Yeah, it's time.
I answered.
Thank you so.
80 करोड़ में मेरे डील हुई 80 करोड़
ये YGHD का क्वेश्चन है. आपको सुनना है आंसर.
शादी करा अमेज़न
How was your experience shooting YGHD?
मैं कहती ना कि
Saira. Saira.
आउट हो गया ना
मैं भूल गया. इतने सालों में सब कुछ भूल गया मैं. Wake up said YGHD. बिल्कुल मेरे को स्टेप्स भी याद नहीं है गानों के. कुछ भी सब कुछ भूल गया मैं.
अब सिर्फ एक चीज याद है क्या?
उसके बाद
Okay, next question.
Let's take your question.
अंदर की 4 पिक्चर रिलीज करी 5
Okay, one by one. Ranveer.
हाँ सब रिलीज
Let's see it.
Okay, this is from Sia who says, I have come to meet you. I love you. You're the best. Where's Sia? Sia, I love you.
अरे सिया की क्या किस्मत है?
क्या की किस्मत?
मतलब
Please
पूरी
introduce me.
अरे पूरा-
Oh, Ranveer, when will you marry Alia? Or someone else? By Garima Jain. Garima, hi. Well, haven't we seen a lot of people getting married in the last 1 year? I think we should be happy with that. हमारी कब होगी?
Are you asking me?
I'm asking him, हमारी कब होगी?
आज के लिए एक ही डेट काफी है. ब्रह्मास्त्र की रिलीज डेट. You know, let's wait.
एक और ले लूं?
Yeah, of course.
Just having this to Ranveer. Thank you for giving us beautiful and memorable movies. Thank you for constantly inspiring me. May God bless you with a lot of happiness and love always. From Stuti. Stuti, I love you. Thank you so much.
How Sia and Stuti have gotten really both
ये
questions.
सारी वर्णियां उन्होंने नहीं भरी. बहुत Ranveer is enjoying this thing.
Yeah, Ranveer is going for it.
Go for it,
एक
go for
एक
it.
चलो.
Guys, there's a lot of love in this. Thank you so much for the questions. You only sing that?
There you go. Brian, I think they deserve to actually come and meet you, but उनको तो यहाँ स्टेज पे नहीं बुला सकते.
So let's move to that stage where we can come and say hi.
Wow.
But what we will do is, I want to take one really nice picture of all of us, so we always remember this moment where we started the Brahmastra journey. You know, so I want to take a selfie or something with everybody. Can we arrange for that?
Wow.
Also listen, for this picture, like how all of you are here, we also have some key people from our team who've been working very hard, and honestly they do all the work, to make it. So we'll include them in the picture as well. So why don't you all come in? Kabir, Amar,